In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on LinkedIn and reset it quickly. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to make your account a little more secure, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through LinkedIn's password reset process with ease. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to linkedin.com. This is the initial step in getting to where you want to reset your password. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner for the Sign In option. Click on Sign In with Email. This will bring up your login page. Now, you might have realized that you've forgotten your password or just want to update it. No worries. Right there on the login page, you'll see the option that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Forgot Password will direct you to a page where LinkedIn asks for your email or phone number associated with your account. Enter your details in the provided text box and double check that you typed everything correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered your email or phone number, proceed by clicking on the Next button. Afterward, LinkedIn will send you a PIN code to verify your identity. This PIN will be sent to the email address or phone number you provided, so make sure you have access to one of those. Now, go over to your email inbox or text messages and keep an eye out for the email or text with the PIN code. It might take a few moments to arrive, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Once it arrives, copy or memorize the PIN. Head back to the LinkedIn page that asked for your PIN and carefully type the code into the provided field. Since each character matters, ensure you've inputted it accurately before proceeding. Great! With the PIN code entered, click on the Submit button. This confirms to LinkedIn that you are indeed the account holder. Next, you'll see a page that prompts you to create a new password. Be sure to choose a password that's strong yet memorable, something that's not easily guessed. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols always helps in enhancing your account security. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by inputting it again in the next field, and then save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed or reset your LinkedIn password. Remember to store your new password securely and log in with it the next time you access LinkedIn. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day navigating LinkedIn safely.